Hello viewers, let's look at both factory data reset and reset all settings on Android phones. Two very different options. The first erase all data and restore the phone to its original factory state, while the second fixes software glitches without deleting your personal data. Now first of all, go to settings and in setting come down, click general management, and now once again go down and click reset. You may read this and at the end you will see all the options. First let me click factory data reset, and after click this interface appears. Now you are watching a comparative table of factory data reset versus reset all settings. After pressing factory data reset button, now this page appear and it will erase each and everything if I click reset button. To avoid this I can use smart switch, but I'll make a separate video upon it. So let's go back and go to reset all settings. This is used to fix software glitches and almost all type of soft errors. So click reset all settings, and now only this data and only these things would affect if you click reset all settings. And now click reset settings. Click on this button. Now give it pattern, pin or password. Once again click reset button. This appears or system restarts, so click reset once again, and now it's final reset. So again click this button. Now the system has been rebooted, so let's open it and you can see that no contact has been lost. On the other side, let me check WhatsApp, and every SMS and contact is safe. So next time, if you reset your mobile, go through this video to choose the right one to minimize data loss. Thanks for watching.